Hi, today I will show you how to stop auto update of Adobe Illustrator easily with a host file. No external software is needed. Go to Start. Type Notepad. Right-click and run as administrator. It's very important. Now, from File, come to Open. Then, C Drive. Windows. System 32. Drivers. Etc. Click this drop-down, choose All Files, select Host, and Open. Now, scroll down and come to a blank place. We need these texts to paste here. You will get them in the description. Simply copy them and paste them in the host file. Now save them from File. From now on, the app will not get auto updates from servers. I will recommend you to simply uninstall the app and reinstall it. And after that, Illustrator won't be updated or upgraded anymore, and the problem will be gone for good. If you found this video useful, then please be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.